Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I just want to share with you a very small Disney World haul. Now, last month, the 5 of us went to Disney World for a family vacation. And oh my goodness, it was so much fun. And I just want to share with you the things that I purchased, I was given, different things like that while we were there. Now, I will say that the first thing that I'm going to share with you did not come from Disney World. I actually bought this on an Etsy shop. And I'm going to leave the information if I can find it, because I don't know, it's been a couple of months since I purchased this. But I got when I seen it, I thought this was just so cute. And this is what I wore on the plane. And it says, "I'm done with this quarantine. I'm going to Disney." Oh, I just love this shirt. So I just wanted to show you that, though it was not purchased at Disney World. Now, the next thing, we went there and got there one day. The very next day was my birthday, so they gave me a happy birthday button. It says Happy Birthday Velma. And then the next thing that I'm going to show you. Now, in the past, we've always have purchased the dining plan. Well, you can't do well, I don't know about now, but when we went, you could not do the dining plan. So you just, bought your food as you went. But in the past, you would always get these refillable mugs. And they came free. But this time, you had to buy them. But me and Mike went ahead and bought us each one. This is the Mickey. This is the one Mike picked out. It has the Disney parks and Mickey Mouse Club and stuff like that on it. And the one I purchased, I got the Halloween one. It was during Halloween. Oh, well, we're already started celebrating Halloween, so that's what I got. And then one of the days while we were there, we had lunch at the Yak and Yeti restaurant, and this is the most expensive icy I've ever paid for, but I got the icy just so I could get this little bear. You can see, I don't know, you can see the Yak and Yeti on him. But look how cute he is. And I thought this would, when we travel like by car, this would be cute to use in the car. So I thought, what the heck? I got it. And before we left, I did buy 3 Vera Bradley masks, because I did want to, when I got to Disney, buy some. And I did. The first one is this Minnie Mouse. And I also got the Haunted Mansion. Oh, look. And then the last one was more of a Halloween. I just thought that was cute. So I got that as well. As far as masks, these 2 were very, very hot. They're real thick. And then I bought these 2, and I washed them, and I wore the Vera Bradley while these dried and everything. But then one day I seen it said something about new material. That's why I got this one. This is so much better. It wasn't near as hot, and you could breathe better. Oh, this material is the way to go. It's some kind of, like I said, some kind of polyester. Oh, I forgot this. I done forgot what I had to buy to get the Headless Horseman straw. But I don't know. I just wanted it. I know you think, oh, you got a lot of junk here, and I do. And, and there's one other item. I'm just going to have to put in a picture or a little video or something. We just came back from Disney, and this is a popcorn container that they sell at Disney. I'll get it out the bag real fast. Give you a better look. And look how cute this is. Now, I came real close not having this. Thank goodness I had made the statement before we went to the park that I wanted this. And I said, well, but I'm not going to get this until it's getting close to closing time, because I didn't want to have to walk around with this. And time slipped by, and when I thought about it, it was like, oh my goodness, I've got to run. I got to get to that. And thank goodness, Mick, our oldest son, knew that I wanted this and realized that I had let time slip by. So he went ahead and got this for me, and I am so appreciative of that, because I would have missed this. I did a DIY on that one like 3 days after we got back. So that's how come I had to do that one that way. Next, I did get me the Crocs, the Halloween Crocs. And these are so cute. When you walk, they'll light up. If I can get it to light up now. I can't, but they do work. Trust me, when you have them on. And because it was Food and Wine Festival, I had to get the Minnie Mouse ears. And it's Taste Your Way Around the World on the side here. And look how cute that is. The ribbon looks like cork, and it has these grapes. These things are gorgeous. And then on this side, it does have Epcot International Food and Wine Festival 2020. Super cute. I was so happy about that. And then I seen a sign, or actually I found this on the internet. They were talking about how that there was a Pandora charm exclusive, only at the park. And so I said, oh, I got to find that charm. And I did, and here it is. I hope I can get that to focus. It's Mickey in a, with a pumpkin, his face inside a pumpkin. Let me flip it around. And then it says, boo. And I'm going to say, I was so excited that I found this and I could get it and everything. And then I seen, like on the 4th of October this month, you can buy them at Shop Disney. So I did all of that, and you can still just buy them there. I don't know if they still have them. I just noticed it that they had them that day. Also, while I was in that store, though, now this is, look how cute Minnie Mouse is on this charm. And then on the other side, now it has Flower and Garden Festival 2020. And I know you think, well, Val, you didn't go during that. But Minnie was so pretty. And they had it was 30% off. And then when I used my credit card, my Disney credit card, I got an additional 10% off. Now, I could not pass that up when she told me that. So, that was great. And then I got this year's, the 2020 exclusive charm. here's where it says 2020. And the funny thing about this is when I was looking at all of this and I decided what I wanted, they also had buy one, get one free. And Michelle was standing beside me. And I said, oh, Michelle, look, I'll get us this. It's buy one, get one free. And I said, wouldn't you like to have one? And she said, oh, yeah. So I looked around, and these were the 3 charms that I came up with. And I started to go pay for them. And then my kids came up and grabbed them and paid for them and said, happy birthday. And it was on my birthday. So what a neat present that was. I absolutely love it. And, oh, and another thing, this, I don't think Mike bought that at Disney World. I think he may have got it off of Shop Disney. But I'm going to go ahead and show you this because that's what he gave me for my birthday. And it's one of these necklaces that has a number on it. And if you, I don't know if you can see it, but it has the number 15. And these are usually for if you turn 15, or if you could have an anniversary of 15 years or whatever. But because it was my birthday, and everybody, my family, my friends, everybody laughs, that says that I never got past 15. You know, I'm the oldest 15-year-old child there is. So when Mike seen that, he got me a necklace with the number 15, because that's what I'll always be. And now I did buy the Dooney Bourke Food and Wine Festival purse. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. Here we go. Here's the little tag. It should be. Whoops. And it does. It says Epcot International Food and Wine Festival 2020. We'll go ahead and get into the straps. Now, these straps, I'll do this just real fast, hopefully. Now, I am very short, and so for me, these things are just way too long. So what I've done in the past, and will do on this one as well, is I take this part out and make it to be more like this length. So, but let's go ahead and look inside, because I haven't even looked inside. Ooh, look how pretty that purple is. Oh my goodness. Now, the only thing on this one, I don't know. I would have thought this would have been more suited with this white for a summer or spring purse. But I still love it. I just, like I said, just the color. And I do have a, let's see, here's another food and wine. And this was 2016. Now see the difference? I just love the colors, but it has the dark trim, and I know this does too, but I don't know. This to me just looks a little more summery. So I don't know really if I'm going to wear it or take it that much, during the fall or fall and winter. Put this back. But so that's everything that I purchased or was given, and like I said, I'm very excited over it. So I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I deeply appreciate each and every one of you. So for now, bye-bye, and may God bless.